I'm sitting with James Wisor. We installed his job about 3 weeks ago. Did a tub to shower conversion and wrapped his bathroom with our high-tech polymer candy rock color. Jim, tell us why you chose JR Luxury Bath to do your job.
We saw you at the Home and Flower Show, and actually when we saw it, my wife said, let's look at this," and I went, "We can't afford that. That's going to be a fortune." I honestly thought it was marble or granite or whatever. We looked at it, and I talked to the guy, and he went, "No, no, no." He went, "This is really affordable, and it's really good." And he said, "It's not." I said, "I'm worried about upstairs being heavy. I don't want it to be too heavy." And he went, "No, this is the best stuff." And then he told me what it was, and so I said, "Okay." So we left there and came home and called you and set up an appointment for you to see.
Great, great. I know you had a previous contractor out here that had kind of torn some things out and not done what they promised. Did JR end up having to rip out the whole bathroom, or what was the final solving of your problem?
JR took out everything, the bulkhead above my bathtub, took out the bathtub, took out the closet that was there. Man, they did all of it. Chad was a terrific guy. When he started tearing out the ceiling, I thought, whoa, I'm not sure how much, but he didn't tear out anything more than what he fixed that was going to be covered up. So it was perfect.
Perfect, perfect. So would it be safe to say JR Luxury Bath delivered everything that was sold to you at the sale?
And then some. I can't be more pleased.
Wonderful, wonderful.
The other contractor screwed us around and wanted to rip out floors and ceilings and walls, and none of that was in 3 months. It took me 2 to 3 months to do it.
About how long did your installation take?
JR took a week and a half, and that's because we had some bad weather and he couldn't cut stuff outside because blah blah blah. But yeah, it was good.
So what would you tell your friends and family about JR Luxury Bath?
I told them if they're looking to do it, to call you guys. I have told several people that we know are upgrading their bathrooms or want to, and I told them, look, give you guys a call, have them come out and see, and said I can't. We're happy. The money we paid was well worth it.
Thank you, Jim. I appreciate it.